I'm proud to say we've been in the dry cleaning industry for 25 years. Sudsies has been here servicing you, your community, your garments around the world. We have garments being shipped to us from all over the world because we take what we do so seriously, and we're here for 25 years and we look to be here forever for you. We're creating the trajectory of confidence and you being comfortable to send us your garments that you can entrust us with them. We take it so serious that when you send us a garment from wherever you are around the world, we will hand examine it, we photograph the garment, we expose the garment, we test the garment, we pre-treat the garment, and we even hand clean that garment. And before the final inspection, we make sure we'll put a smile on it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.